Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you fuse location of 2009 Kia Sportage. The fuse box located on the driver's side of your dashboard. Remove that cover. That's your fuse diagram. And the most important fuses, it's a cigarette lighter right here. Second fuse on the second row right here, 15 amps. Power outlet front, this one 15 amps. Power outlet rear right here, this is 15 amp. And then what else? Tail light right hand, this fuse. Tail light left hand, this fuse. So guys, thank you for watching. Join to my channel and see you soon.